Hello guys, Deepak here. Today I'll look at a very important question. What is a write, HBase write process? Basically, it contains two steps. One step is information is going to be put in a log called a write ahead log. Second is information is going to be put in a memory store. And from that memory store, once it is put, you get acknowledgements back. Okay, now what is this steps? Let's go in detail. Now, a write ahead log is when the location, it's actually a file which is present, which is going to be present in the region servers. Uh, it actual place, a very interesting concept. Uh, it's a file which can be kept, which is there in all other region servers, which basically it is like you want to do some things, you want to write ahead in the log, and if case and also you're putting in the logs, writing in logs, and you are also writing in the same thing in memory. And if some problem happens in memory, then you want some place, right? Some way to recover the stuff you lost. Good concept, right? So how do you do that? For that typical architecture, HBase uses the write ahead log, wherein you can, because your write operation has to have some backup in case of any problems in your memory. So HBase will be first step in during the write process. The first step, it will insert the data in the write ahead log, and once that is the first step, put the stuff in the write ahead log, and once the stuff is put in write, the information is dumped in the write ahead log, then it is also this write ahead log. Of course, it will be a sequential process. You cannot, otherwise you cannot find out, um, in case of any problem, how to pull the actual record. So the data is, all the logs are written in sequence as like any log, and you're gonna, next step is put the same information. Second step is put the same data in the mem store for that particular table and column family. This is critical step. And once that this step is completed, then once it is over, you get a client will be sent acknowledgement, said that okay, the stuff is done, because immediately the HBase data is not going to be written in the final memory. It will be, final hard disk. It will be stored in memory for performance reasons. And after once your mem store is full up, then it will be thrown in the H file. Okay, thanks, and I'll come up with some more questions, answers.